Good morning. Hello, Coda. I see you look like a Christmas present this morning. Hello, guys. It's Christmas. Good morning. Welcome back to the channel. Bobby has been chilling up here by the fire, waiting for me to come up and open gifts this morning. Apparently, Bobby got Coda presents. Let's see what Coda got.
He got his favorite food. He doesn't look so amused.
Coda, you don't like your toy? You're fetish. Go get it. Go get it. Get off your fat butt and go get your present. It's gonna get you.
What the heck? Power strips. Holy cow. What the heck? Oh my lord. I'm literally set for life.
Is it good?
What the heck is this? What?
Well, guys, it's now the next day and we made it to my happy place, which is of course the shop. Had an amazing Christmas, got a ton of really cool gifts. I want to know what some of you guys got, so drop a comment down below. I know there's gonna be a ton of people that got like car parts and whatnot. I've been thinking over the last few days since we worked on the FRS whether or not we want to rewrap the car or if we should just try to save the wrap. We did do a little test area on the hood and it looks like we can make it shine up just fine. But I've also been debating, like the car's been black for probably over a year now, and it'd be a good opportunity instead of spending the time to polish the wrap, just peel the wrap off and redo a different color. I'm just not sure what color we would want to do. I've been thinking like a blue, like a light blue, but then we have the light blue Evo. I've already done an orange. I was thinking red, but that's kind of similar to orange. The only other color that would be different would be like a green. But I'm not the biggest fan of a green car. So drop a comment down below. If we do rewrap it, it'll probably be a while. So I think in the meantime, I do want to polish up the wrap, which is, I might even do that today because I don't think it's going to take very long. Before we work on the FRS though, the M3 diffuser, let me just show you guys. I feel like my mind is all over the place when I don't come to the shop for a while. It's been like 2 days. I feel crazy right now. Just so much random stuff to do. The M3 diffuser is falling off though, and I have a good solution for it, but this right here is not okay. This is pretty ghetto. We really have two options: re-double side tape it or drill holes into the bumper and into the diffuser, which of course I don't want to drill holes all over my beautiful M3. So a quick little tip. I believe all of the double-sided tape that any like parts supplier would provide you with, or like the carbon fiber manufacturers, is probably like a 15 or a 20 pound rating. It's strong, but it's not like super strong. 3M makes a 30 pound rated double-sided tape. Extreme mounting tape. It is quite a bit more expensive. I was using this on some of the M3 headlight stuff. This stuff sticks so good. I would highly recommend the extreme mounting tape. All right, let's hope that boy stays on now. I think we should be good to go. So it's really the last thing I want to do right now, but I feel like I can't move on with life until we just get this thing back into the condition that needs to be in because it's been neglected for so long. I think it's always a good idea to start with the least aggressive method possible. If you didn't watch the last video, I'll show you what we're trying to fix. We did a little test right here and you can see that's the line right there. This is with a more aggressive pad and compound. So this here is the least aggressive setup we have. A stage 3 3M perfected polish with a black Hex Logic pad. Let's do some more testing on the hood. Let's give her a quick IPA wipe down and see what happens. That is definitely going to be the combo that we're going to be using, is the black Hex Logic and the step 3. One thing I just noticed with the wrap, you can't put nearly as much heat into it as you can with paint because the compound does get pretty much burnt onto the vinyl wrap. Just a few light passes and she shines up just like brand new vinyl wrap. Whole car should probably take, I don't know, 3 or 4 hours to get it polished up, and then we still need to go through and ceramic coat it. All right, we're done with pretty much the whole driver's side of the car. This thing's turning out absolutely amazing. I never in a million years thought it would look this good after the condition it was in. Also, I never thought in a million years that buffing vinyl wrap would take off so much vinyl wrap. Obviously this pad is orange. She's slowly but surely turning black. It's pretty wild. I wish I had a thickness gauge of some sort to see how much wrap we're actually taking off thickness wise. That'd be kind of interesting. All right, let's move on to the back. I do want to pull off that little trunk clip right there, and I might pull off the wing as well just so we can get this thing flawless. And maybe we can even run the car without a wing for once. We never have. This carbon trunk clip right here is so beat up. I don't even know if it's usable. I'm gonna try to like polish a little spot on here and see if we can bring it back to life. We may need to re-clear it or just completely replace it. Yeah, this thing's completely beat up, guys. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. It's pretty nasty. I feel like a big wing definitely belongs on this car, especially from the back. It looks so weird now. It's not terrible. Definitely not terrible. I feel like with a giant duckbill on the trunk, unlike the little carbon fiber one that we had, if we had something big on there, it'd probably look good. But it's just not the same. I think I forgot to mention, we went back to a much more aggressive pad and compound. We actually went with the orange pad, which is like a fairly aggressive pad, and then step 1 compound from 3M. The less aggressive stuff was just taking way too many passes to get the same exact result. Here she is, guys. We just got finished up with the entire body of the car. Look at that shine. Super stoked we decided to do this over rewrapping it. Not only was it way cheaper, also way less time, and I had no clue what color we would do anyway. Looks really, really good. We do need to buff all the windows. The other side has some really, really bad water spots, as you can see. So we need to buff all that off. I'll probably pull these stickers off. IPA wipe the entire car, and we can move on to ceramic coating. The car is all cleaned up, 100% ready to go. That took a little bit longer than expected, but it's all good. Before we ceramic coat the entire car, so we're gonna do the wrap in the windows right now. We can do the wheels later on. I'm going to clean up the front lip. It's like I think it's a polyurethane front lip is what it's made out of. And so we have this Cerakote trim coat, and it should make it much more glossy. It's like a super faded plastic look right now. And I want it shiny like the rest of the car. There's been one more thing I've been dying to do for a while. Those little pinstripes were pretty cool when they were new and fresh and actually the proper color. They were supposed to match the brakes, but they got so faded over time. And I kind of wanted to change it and just go for the all black look on the body. I think it looks really nice. This is everything you guys will need to ceramic coat anything. Ceramic coat itself, diluted IPA. This is diluted down to 17%, and a nice microfiber towel. So what we're gonna do, run through, wipe the whole car down with the diluted IPA, get it all nice and clean, get any sort of buffing compound, polishing compound off of it. So after you get the car in a condition that you want it in, it's a 3-step process for ceramic coating. IPA wipe down, ceramic coat itself, wipe off the ceramic coat, and don't get water on it for a few days and you're good. 100% done, easy as that. We already did that step, so move that out of the way. Next up is ceramic coat. This is the fun part. This is also the time consuming part. Everything that we do is always 2 coats. So 2 coats on the body, 2 coats on the windows, 2 coats on the wheels, taillights, headlights when they show up. Everything is gonna get coated on this car and she's gonna stay beautiful forever. Look at the level of gloss that ceramic adds. Pretty insane, especially on vinyl wrap. I feel like vinyl wrap is not nearly as glossy as paint, but when you do ceramic coat it, it looks so much better. This is how you know that it's pretty much ready to be wiped off. You see how it's turning into a rainbow right there? It's drying, it's curing. Let's give it another minute or so and we can wipe it off. Well guys, here she is, all finished up, 100% ready to go. I do want to get the car on the lift to do the wheels, and we can clean up the brakes and ceramic coat those at the same time. Before we do that though, just look at the amount of shine this thing has versus when we first started. It's insane. Drop a comment down below, let me know what you guys think of the wingless look. I do prefer the wing, but I don't think this is so bad after all. This right here is a perfect example of why you should, or you may want to ceramic coat your wheels. Brand new work CR2Ps, very, very expensive wheel, expensive for me. There was water sitting on the wheel for about a week, maybe a week and a half, and it is completely stained. It does not wipe off, does not wipe off with IPA. That will need to be polished off. If these were ceramic coated since the day they were new, like they should have been, that would not have happened. We are all finished up polishing and ceramic coating the entire car and the brakes and the wheels. Took way longer than expected, but it's all good. There is a few other things I want to do to the car while she's up in the air. For now, we need to figure out, or we need to work on the M3 a little bit. The FRM, I'm actually gonna pull out, send it into a company and have it fixed or like repaired. Pretty sure something inside the FRM is bad, and that is why only one of the headlights work. So I don't know exactly where the FRM is. I'm sure we could figure it out, and I hear it's pretty easy to remove. So let's pop that thing out and let's get it sent in. We need to get both headlights up and running on this car. BMWs are weird and they have modules everywhere. So let's get that figured out and get that thing fixed. If I'm not mistaken, the FRM would be right under this panel right here. So a few screws, pop that panel off, and I'm guessing it's gonna be right under there. All right, that is the thing right there that we gotta remove. That little computer module, ECU looking thing, that's the guy. All right, we got it out. I hope within a week we can get this thing back, fixed, repaired, ready to go back on the car and not have any more issues with these mother freaking headlights. That is gonna be a wrap for today's video. It was actually 2 days combined into one. That's why we've kind of been silent on YouTube the last few days. It was a little hectic during Vlogmas, so it was nice to like chill and, you know, relax a little bit and have fun with the videos. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Peace out. I'll see you boys tomorrow.